Get up there by your car and tell me about it, Grandpa.
It's a 41 Ford short door coupe, business coupe. I just bought it because it's cute. Still run the Flathead in it. I drive it once in a while just for meanness.
This car is still very original, running the original Flathead with a 3-speed on the column. We have not done much to this car. The interior is much like it was when we purchased it.
This is a 51 Ford Club Coupe. I drove one in school, a senior year. It wasn't a Club Coupe. Anyway, still run the Flathead in it, and I'll have it when I kick the bucket.
This 51 is one of his very first full frame off restoration vehicles. This car has been gone through nut and bolt, full frame off rotisserie. It is running an original Flathead Ford as well, with a 3-speed on the column and a Borg Warner overdrive.
It's 53 Chevy. It's a 2-door hardtop. Me and my wife went on honeymoon in a 53 Chevy, but it was a 4-door sedan. But this is a 2-door hardtop. It's got an LS1 in it, fuel injected the whole bit. It drives good. Nice car.
This is an LS-based small block Chevy, commonly referred to as a 5.3 truck engine, an LM7 running a 700R4. Interior on this car is as it was when Grandpa purchased it as well.
55 Chevy title, looks like a 54. It's a first series 55, and it's got a 355 crate motor in it, all juiced up. But I just always wanted, that's what they call a new idea pickup, starting in 47.
This is also referred to as an advanced design series pickup, like Grandpa stated. Started in 47, ran till early series 55. This is an AC truck running a 355 small block with a 700R4. Wood grain bed. And some late model seats. Otherwise, fairly stock interior.
This is a 57 Chevy 2-door hardtop. If I'd have had that in school, it had to beat the girls out with a club. But anyway, that's a nice car. Put way too much money in it. First car I ever bought at auction. Last car I'll buy at auction. Misrepresented, but anyway, nice car.
The list of modifications we've done to this car since it has been purchased is quite extensive. This engine is a 350 small block AC car, obviously, as you can see. It is also running a 700R4. Interior is very stock. Good condition, very nice driver quality.
Been watching this car, 2-door hardtop, 57. Been watching this car for 35 years. It finally came up for sale last year. Bought it, been to it about right. Pretty well original. 283 power pack, and just pretty well original. Anyway, but I like it. Bought it just because it's pretty.
This car is actually an acquisition that we picked up earlier this year in a barn find of several Tri-5 Chevys, others of which there was an additional black 2-door hardtop. There are two 56 2-door hardtops that we bought with this car as well. It is running the original 283 with power glide trans, factory power steering car, very good driver quality interior as well. Very nice cruiser.
This one here I've had, one of the first ones I bought. I've had it nearly 25 years, but it's a 57 Chevy 2-door hardtop, got a 350 in it, and kind of modernized, good air conditioning. Most of these cars got air in them. And but anyway, I like this car. Probably, if I just had to pick one, this would probably be it.
This is a very sentimental car to the family. My father built this car for Grandpa back when I was a kid. This car is running a 350 small block AC car, 700 R4 as well. Grandpa has driven this car many, many miles.
And 67 Chevy pickup on an 86 4-wheel drive frame, 350. But anyway, I just enjoy them. When you get 83, you're just trying to find something you're interested in. And this is about all I'm really interested in.
This truck is arguably one of the higher quality builds that he owns. Extremely straight, full frame off restoration on this car as well. It's running an LT1 out of a mid-90s car, Chevrolet car. This is actually running a turbo 400 transmission. It is functional 4-wheel drive. Very, very nice cruiser. Very well put together. It is a big back window cab with the custom stainless trim.